Hi guys, I want to show everybody how to embed a video into a discussion so that instead of just having a link to the video or a little picture of the actual video is in the discussion. Okay, so let's go over here to YouTube, and I found a super awesome video by these two clowns right here. I'm going to go over here to share. I'm going to go to embed, and this is my embed code. I'm going to hit the copy button, copy. Then I'm going to go ahead and get out of this YouTube video. I'm going to go over here to my, in this case it's an announcement. If it were a reply, it would be the same. All of this stuff would be up here at the top. Right there's a little cloud. Hit that little cloud. Here's where you paste the embed code. So I'm going to Command V that. And there it is. Submit. Boom. And the video is now embedded in the reply. Okay? Does that make sense? Of course it does. Perfect. Great. I expect you guys can do this for the rest of your assignments. Make sure you are actually embedding the whole video and not a link. All right. Thanks, you guys. Good job.